Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Welcome to my channel, and then in this video tutorial we will create a very simple born again shell program that will ask the user to give two numbers, and then the program will compute the difference between the two given number by our user. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Right now we are here in my desktop. I'm using Windows 10, which I installed Ubuntu Linux. In modern version or newer version of Windows 10, you are allowed to install Linux subsystem. You can download this one from their Microsoft website or in your installation disk. So here we have seen the script is running. So we have here difference between two numbers in bash. Give first number, we have 100. Second number, give second number 2. The difference between 100 and 2 is 98. So let us run again the code. So that slash difference that is h. Okay, there is a permission denied. So if we encounter this kind of warning, so we issue this command chmod plus x and then the complete file name within the extension. So here chmod means that we alter the we ask for permission to our Linux so that we can run this code. So let us run again the code. So here difference between two numbers in bash, give first number. Let's say for example we have 45. Give second number, let's say 6. When press the enter key, the difference between 45 and 6 is 39. Okay, so let us go to the code. We will issue a command nano space difference dot sh for born again shell. Enter. Now here we have printf to new line in this line, and then in this line we have here the title of our program, \t or horizontal tab, difference between two numbers in bash. Printf to new line also for formatting purposes, and then in this portion printf \t give first number. We are asking the user to give first number. Using the read command in bash, we store whatever value that the user will give to our variable num1, and then this line also will ask the user to give second number. It will stored in our second variable named num2 and then printf. So in this portion of our code, we are accepting input values from our user. In this line, after the new line here, we'll perform the processing or computing the difference. So we have here difference equals the variable difference will act as an assignment statement. $2 left open parentheses $num1 minus $num2 and then 2 close right parentheses. So if this is the input portion of the code, this is already the processing, and then lastly we have here the output. So here printf \t, the difference between $num and $2 is $difference to new line. Okay, so we have 16 lines of code. So in nano, if we want to save, Control O. To exit, Control X. Let us clear first the screen by issuing clear command in our command window in Ubuntu Linux command line, and then when we run, we can have several options here. We can issue sh space difference dot sh. difference between two numbers in bash. Give first number, let's say 65, and then we have second number 25. So the difference between 65 and 25 is 40. Okay, so we can also issue this command, bash space difference, that is h. So we have 780, and then we have 321. Difference between two numbers in bash. Give first number, we have 780. Give second number 321. The difference between 780 and 321 is 459. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create difference between two numbers in bash or born again shell in Linux, Unix, or macOS command line. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video in my channel. Share this video to social media like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Until to the next video tutorials, bye bye for now.